Bone Pain goes social with Salt Mango Tree. We have freshly baked some really cool ideas and served them hot to meet your needs perfectly. Our agenda is to engage your users using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. We were able to meet the demands of our clients and furnish them with perfect platform. Brands including Federal Bank Limited, Fortis Hospitals, Sab Miller, Eastern Condiments, Abad Hotels are few of our walk-ins, and we promise to work wonders with your brand. Let me guess. Are you now wondering what we have for you? Let's have a sneak peek on what we have exclusively for you. To start with, we have the I Love Sandwich.in campaign. The idea is simple. We build a community for sandwich lovers where they can come and tell us why they love sandwiches. Out of the many comments that we receive, we can select a set of 101 sandwich quotes, all branded by Bone Pain, which we can print on t-shirts and provide them to these sandwich lovers. Through this exciting campaign, we will actually be crowdsourcing sandwich lovers from all over the country. So what do you think? Targeting the youngsters who are your favorite customers, we have the Jaw Breaking Prices campaign. This is a photography contest primarily pointing at your moderate prices, seeing which anyone would have a huge open mouth. All our contestants have to do is to take the pics of such jaw-breaking instances and send them to us. And the best of the lot can be featured even in your stalls. Now that's a jaw-breaking deal. We have something for the musical fanatics as well. The Jingle Mingle contest is for those who can set a nice jingle around the theme of food, health, and celebrating life. The best jingle may be selected for a viral video featuring the band and Bone Pain. Time for some music, I guess. Featuring the many stores you have in Bangalore, we have the Treasure Hunt, where in the beginning we provide a clue for your customers through your Facebook page and set them on a treasure hunt. All the clues will be scattered across the Bone Pain outlets, and the winning team can grab an exciting prize. We also have an exciting campaign for your Twitter fans. The Bone Tweet Up and Bone Tweetathon are campaigns through which we amass maximum number of your fans together. Through Bone Pain Tweet Up, we can have a group of your fans come together to chat and have fun, while through Bone Tweetathon, we can have fun events set like a big marathon or for a social cause. Now, let us focus on your delicious dishes. The Pick a Dish contest is for your customers who can take Instagram pictures of your dishes and share them through your Facebook page tagging Bone Pain. Through this, we will crowdsource photos of your own dishes from your own customers, which you can later use saying who took those pictures, thus creating a great interaction with them. That's yummy. Last but not the least, we have the Yum campaign. This is a unique smartphone-based program which enables to track your customers, how often they come to your store, and other relevant factors. You can also reward them based on their loyalty factor, which can be measured using this app. Hey, wait! We also have something else. Want to guess? Let's break the ice. It is a Bone Pain Interactive India website. Wondering what that is? It is an interactive website that is meant to connect you with your target group in a unique fashion. Wondering how? To know more about our campaigns and website ideas, catch up with our think tank and let's go social together. This is Salt Mango Tree, serving your delicacies the way you want them.